back at the cabin again. I actually brought my saw with me this time, so hopefully if I'm lucky I'll cut down a few trees that are still in the way for my solar panel. I cut one last time, but now I'll maybe cut a few more since I'll take advantage of my saw. Hopefully I'll be able to work on my workbench and also cut planks to length for my doors that I need for the workshop. But also I have a nice meal that I need to make. That's why I don't know if you guys can see in the background. I don't think so, but I started the stove on the inside. I'll heat it up and I'll show you guys what I brought. So here it is. Here's my good old meal I'll make myself. It's like a 2-inch steak that I got once again at the local butcher shop. I thought, why not? I still got some little meat sticks that I got last time, but I saw the steaks. I'm like, yeah. I was like, this is pretty much as good as it gets. It's a ribeye. He asked me how big I wanted it, so I just told him to just go at it and have fun. So he came out with this monster of a steak. Yeah, it's like a 2.5 inch, 2 inches, 2.5 inches. It's a solid steak. It's like 3 fingers on my hands, so it's pretty good. So if I don't mess up while cooking it, it's even gonna be better. I need a leg that goes right here, so I think I have a log in the back that's going to do the trick. It's about 43 inches, but I think at like 46, 47, just so I could dig a hole and put rocks at the bottom to make it a little bit more stable. It should be good. I have this log that used to be my little temporary wood shelter. I guess now its fate is to get bucked up to be a leg. Got like 46.5. Mark it with something here. There. Doesn't seem super crooked. Now I need a transversal piece in the back that I think the little tree that I cut for the solar panel is going to do the trick. Alright, so taking a little break from the whole chainsaw workbench thing. I need to get ready to cook my steak because the stove is coming to temperature. So if I'm being honest, I don't even know if I have anything big enough to cook it, so I might have to improvise or let's see. Might fit in here. I'd like to have this more though. There we go. There. An actual pot. All that's left is to put this on a stove, add a little bit of olive oil, and I'll drop the steak in. And open the window because it's literally 50 degrees Celsius in here. I had to shut my power off just to conserve a bit of power since the sun's not too strong. My solar panel has trouble keeping up. But yeah, hopefully I'll be able to flip this thing over. Let go. Nope. Come on there. There we go. That seems about right. I'll take it off the stove. There we go. Oh yeah. Let it simmer in the juices here a little bit, and I'll bring you guys outside. So here's, I don't know if it gets focusing. Yeah, here's what the final product looks like. Bunch of nice juices in there. So yeah, let's dig in, see how it tastes. First bite. I actually didn't mess it up. It's a nice medium, so I don't like it super overcooked or like very rare. So I actually didn't mess it up, so I'm proud of that. Gotta get back to work now after eating that massive meal. Huge steak. But yeah, I have these two 10-inch lag bolts. I'll try to drill it through this log so it's going to be easier to hold it and drill at the same time instead of just having a free lag bolt and stumbling with it everywhere as I'm trying to hold the little support log here. Okay, moment of truth. Like this. It's working. So my little impact isn't strong enough to get it through everything. So I'll leave it like that for now. Add some 4-inch screws on the top, and I'll screw this leg in, and I'll call it a day for the workbench. The squirrels are starting to make a mess, so one of my only worries is hornets in the summer, because it's a really, really good place for them to make nests, so I don't want to get a special surprise. My luck, ripped off for the door last time I was here, so now I'll have to try and somehow like really bolt this thing in. So I'll use some 3-inch screws. The other screws that I had, they were really like big gauge round heads, but they're just not long enough. They're coming out like a 1/4 inch, so not good. Well, now I'll take these off. They're still good, so I'll save them. Now, attempt to do this. Now this should really come through the other side of the door. There shouldn't be any worries. Now it's really solid. They're not coming through that bad, so should be good. Now that's fixed. It's always nice to refill right after you use up the wood.